Introduction to Computer Graphics. Uses of graphics software. Graphic designing software is used by graphic designers to create images in different ways: to edit images, to create video, audio, etc. Graphics software helps users to give visual effects in all form. There are two types of graphic designing softwares. One is pixel and another is vector-based graphics software. There are different types of graphics softwares used by graphics designer on the basis of requirements. Some of the graphics software are listed below. Working with Photoshop CC. Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software which allows users to create and edit raster images in multiple layers. It has various editing tools. It was created by Thomas and John Knoll in 1988 AD. The default file extension for a work in progress is called a PSD, Photoshop document. A PSD file has a maximum of 30,000 pixels for width and height and a file length limit of 2 gigabytes. Another type of Photoshop file is Photoshop big.psb. It is a large document format and extends the PSD's maximum height and width limit to 300,000 pixels and also extends the length limit to around 4 exabyte. The first version of Photoshop 1.0 was released on February 19, 1990 AD. Here we are going to discuss about one of the best versions of Photoshop CC. Pixel dimensions and printed image resolution. Pixel dimensions measure the total number of pixels along an image's width and height. Resolution is the fineness of detail in a bitmap image and is measured in pixels per inch. The more pixels per inch, the greater the resolution. Generally, an image with a higher resolution produces a better printed image quality. Unless an image is resampled, the amount of image data remains constant as you change displayed either the print dimensions or resolution. For example, if you change the resolution of an image, its width and height change accordingly to maintain the same amount of image data. Understanding Photoshop tools. When we start Photoshop, we can see the Tools panel. The Tools panel appears at the left of the screen. Some tools in the Tools panel have options that appear in the context-sensitive options bar. You can expand some tools to show hidden tools. A small triangle at the lower right of the tool icon signals the presence of hidden tools. Working with Photoshop tools. Lasso tool. This tool is used for free selection on the image as required. Open the required image. Click on the lasso tool from the toolbox. Click on the picture and drag the mouse to select the required area. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to remove certain area or part of the image. Open the required image. Click on the eraser tool from the toolbox. Click and drag the mouse to erase the required portion of the image. Blur tool. You can also blur portions of your image to emphasize and focus on a particular element. It is used to reduce the extra pixel contrast and make the image dim. Open the required image. Click on the blur tool from the toolbox. Choose the required brush from the present picker. Drag the mouse pointer over the part of the picture and release the mouse. Magic Wand tool. This tool is used to select a larger area of image having similar color, pixel and groups together. Open the required image. Select the Magic Wand tool. If the tool isn't visible, access it by holding down the Quick Selection tool. Click on the area of an image to select. Click